Hey everyone, I'm at Bangsar again at Jalan. This time I'm going to try this Nyonya restaurant that I've read a lot about. Okay, people say their food here is nice, so I'm going to go and try. Let's go. So this is the restaurant, can't miss it. It's right at the corner there. So you can go in. There's the outdoor seating. Some places there for you to sit outdoor. Most time also not that easy. You can see outside there's some sittings outside. You want to sit outside. One more thing, they have this one. Those who are in Malacca will definitely know this company. It's called Longchan Trading. See, Longchan Trading. They are an old company. They're based in Malacca. They manufacture ice cream soda, and this is actually sasi in bottles. Okay, so my parents, my mom and dad, when they were young at the time, they always drink this Longchan. And when you return back the bottles, right, you actually get a rebate. So this is how they prepare ice cream soda with the float, right, with this ice cream soda in the bottle. Not that sweet, this one very nice actually. So you can't find this in supermarket one because they produce it in very small batches. So this is a Mee Siam and Mee Siam Bangsar. It's a bit different from what I used to remember but this is as close as you can get. So usually, right, when Mee Siam, right, I don't see prawns. Usually it's just this shredded egg and Mee Siam. Actually this is bihun, but they call it Mee Siam. So when you order, right, don't get shocked. This is how it's served. Okay, with shrimp, shredded cucumber, and the most important part of the dish is actually this lime here. Usually when people eat Mee Siam, they'll squeeze the lime. Okay, make it a bit sourish. This is how you squeeze it. Be a bit sourish and very appetizing. This is tauhu Tbat. Okay, the word tauhu is beancurd, Tbat is stuffed. So you just translate literally, it's actually stuffed beancurd. So you can see here they actually fry the beancurd first before they stuff, right? Sometimes, right, they serve it in another way, but the beancurd is not deep fried like this lah. Okay, so for this, they will serve you with this sauce. Usually you can just put the sauce. It's a chili sauce, and then you take it and you have it just like that. Okay, it's a snack. It's quite a very famous snack. Now I'm gonna try the ayo. It's the Mee Siam Bangsar here. Wow, the soury taste coupled together with the shredded egg, right? And a little bit of the cucumber. Wow, it really takes me back to the time where I used to eat it back in Malacca. I'm adding a little bit of the homemade sambal here. The sambal, right, not spicy, it's a bit sweet, okay? But it's good. I actually like the texture of this bihun here, coupled with the lime, right? Perfect. Very nice. Now, let's try the tauhu Tbat. Okay, I put some chili on top. Usually this one, we just take it and eat with hand. But since I'm in a restaurant, might as well I just use chopstick. Very good snack. Appetizing and healthy. Usually, right, when I say sambal Tbat, they don't have the fried onion like what you can see on up here. The fried onion. Usually it's just this. But the fried onion actually give it the crunchy taste lah. So it's different on texture there, crunchy. And the smell, fried onion, very nice smell. So this is the cendol. On the outside it looks good. Can't wait to dig in and try. Okay. The cendol, actually this is the cendol. Look at the colors, very bright. Quite good. This is the cendol here. So it melted the moment it passed here. The coconut milk is not that creamy, so I don't think they put a lot of coconut milk. You just try the shaved ice. Okay, this is enough for gula melaka, not too much. Too much will be too sweet. Yeah, it's not really that creamy, it's a bit mild on the coconut milk side. That's good. And you get to see this. Let me show you. So cendol, especially you eat in Malacca, they use this called the kidney bean, not red bean. Okay? This is how the kidney bean look like. Okay? Mild, not too sweet. Coconut milk is also just right. Okay, good. So that's it for my review of Babalo at Bangsar Utama. If you are around the corner, do come and try their peranakan specialties here. There's a lot for you to try. Today I just can eat a little bit, so I just show you what I ordered lah. Okay, this is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.